Southeast Queens is sitting on top of one of the biggest real estate stories in New York City right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. $19 billion. 12,000 new homes and a housing conversion the governor of New York just called a model for the entire state. I'm filming this from inside JFK Airport right now, Terminal 4, and everything happening around this airport is about to affect where people live, what homes are worth, and where smart buyers are moving in Southeast Queens. Let me break it all down. The Port Authority and private partners are spending roughly $19 billion to completely transform JFK. That includes a brand new Terminal 1, a new Terminal 6, and major expansions to Terminals 4 and 8, the terminal standing in right now. Planners expect JFK could handle close to 100 million passengers a year by mid-century, almost double what it handles today. More passenger means more jobs in aviation, hospitality, cargo, retail, and logistics. And more jobs means more people need somewhere to live nearby. So, if you own a home in South Jamaica, Springfield Gardens, South Ozone Park, or you are thinking about buying there, pay very close attention to what I'm about to show you. On top of the airport itself, New York State is spending $1.2 billion to widen the Wyck Expressway. That's the main highway connecting Queens to JFK. They're adding a fourth managed lane in each direction, rebuilding more than 20 bridges and fixing the ramps along a 4-mile stretch. This is New York State's largest single construction project right now. A faster, more reliable Wyck means the commuting zone around JFK gets bigger. Neighborhoods like Jamaica, South Ozone Park, and Central Queens become more attractive to airport workers who drive to their shifts. Right next to the airport at 14306 135th Avenue in South Jamaica, a 12-story airport hotel, the former JFK Hilton, was just converted into more than 315 apartments. This is called Baisley Pond Park Residences. It cost about $167 million and opened in late 2025. All of the apartments are affordable. These rents range from roughly $780 a month per studio to $1,490 for a 2-bedroom, reserved for households earning up to 60% of area median income. Here's why this matters as a trend. This is New York City's first completed hotel to affordable housing conversion under a state program called HONDA, the Housing Our Neighbors with Dignity. The governor and city officials are explicitly calling it a model that want to repeat. There are a lot of older off-airport hotels near JFK that could be next. The AirTrain from JFK gets you to Jamaica Station in just 10 minutes. One of the most connected transit hubs in all of Queens. The LIRR and A, J, and Z trains all meet right there. And in October 2025, the New York City Council approved one of the biggest rezonings this borough has ever seen. The Jamaica Neighborhood Plan covers roughly 230 blocks around downtown Jamaica. It could unlock nearly 12,000 new housing units over time, with roughly 3,800 to 4,200 of those permanently affordable under the city's mandatory inclusionary housing rules. Officials say this is the largest mandatory affordable housing zone in New York City history. Let that sink in. The plan creates different zones, a high-density downtown core near Jamaica Avenue and Archer Avenue. Think up to 18-story mixed-use towers, mid-rise corridors along Suffolk Boulevard, Merritt Boulevard, and Guy Brewer Boulevard, up to around 11 stories, and the southern zones where housing mixing with industrial and commercial uses. For anyone who works at JFK, this rezoning is a game changer. You'll be able to live in a brand new apartment building, hop the AirTrain, and be at your terminal in minutes. That's the transit spine that they are building. Now, I want to keep it real with you because not every neighborhood near JFK is about to change overnight. Take a look behind me. This is South Ozone Park, mostly 1- and 2-family homes, quiet residential streets, and it's been this way for decades. Back in 2013, the city passed rules to protect this neighborhood's character across about 530 blocks. In simple terms, it means the area is meant to stay mostly small homes, not large apartment buildings. While billions are being invested in airports, highways, and infrastructure nearby, the pressure usually shows up in home prices and rents. You're probably not going to see high-rise buildings on these streets, but you may see your neighbor's home sell faster than ever. So here's the big picture. You've got a $19 billion airport transformation driving long-term job growth, a $1.2 billion highway project making Southeast Queens more accessible, and a rezoning in Jamaica unlocking nearly 12,000 new homes right on the AirTrain line. And the surrounding low-density neighborhoods, Ozone Park, Springfield Gardens, South Jamaica, are zoned to stay exactly as they are. The change is here. Whether you are a seller sitting on a property in Southeast Queens or a buyer looking for your next move, this is not the moment to wait. The opportunity is in front of you right now, and the window doesn't stay open forever. I'm Claudia Louis, your Queens real estate listing agent. If you're thinking about selling, buying, or investing anywhere in Southeast Queens, South Jamaica Gardens, South Ozone Park, or Jamaica, hit the link in my bio and let's talk strategy before this market moves. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of what's happening in Queens and beyond. I'll also be taking you to Turks and Caicos in my next video, so stick around for that. Like this video, drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.